You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase in English. There are different pronunciations indeed, depending on whether it's British English in the UK or American English, US. British English pronunciation, new world, new world. American English pronunciation, how to pronounce new world. Yes, new in American English. US pronunciation, new in British English. New world, American English. New world, British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.